Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to get Instagram messages back. So if you deleted messages on your Instagram account and you want to actually revisit those deleted messages, well, you could actually do that via the settings of Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your browser here and just go to instagram.com. So you might be asking, why do we actually have to access the Instagram account via our computer here? Well, this method is actually a lot easier if you're going to use a computer here, because we'll be accessing zip files and HTML files for this one, and that might not be actually supported on your mobile devices. So it's gonna be a lot easier if you have a computer for this one. So let's get started. So here we want to go to instagram.com and just log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go to the lower left of the screen, that's the more section, and from here you want to go to your activity. Under your activity, you want to select the download your information here, and from here you want to ensure that you select HTML and the correct email address is actually entered here in the email section. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on next, and from here you just want to enter your password to request the download. Now here you'll see the download requested pop up on your screen. So we've started creating a file for your information, and we'll email a link to the following email address once it's ready. It may take up to 14 days to collect this information and send it to you. So you just need to wait. This might take a few minutes or even hours or even days, depending on the amount of data you have on your account. But if you have a fairly new account, this will only take like a few hours or a few minutes before you receive the link on the following email address that you've set on this request form. So it is going to be an example of the email that you'll be receiving on your email address. So it's going to say, here's the file you requested with the information about the account, the following here. And just click on the download information button, and you'll be led into a new tab wherein you need to enter your password again. So now once you've successfully logged in and entered your password, this is the next UI that you'll see on your screen. So your Instagram information, here's the file you requested with the information about your account, about the account name that you've entered here. So just click on download information, and it's going to actually download a zip file onto your computer. So go ahead and go to that location here and open up that zip file. So in the zip file location, you want to go to a specific location that I'll be showing you. So in here, you just want to scroll down until you see the messages option here. And from here, you want to go to inbox. And here you want to go to the specific user that you actually had a conversation with, wherein you deleted your message. So here, just open up this folder here, for example, this user here, and just click on the messages.html option here. So once you've actually opened that up, you'll be able to see all of the messages that you've sent for that specific user, and even images that you send to that specific user. And from here, you could just basically browse this section here and view their messages, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.